Hello ka-senior guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Yub's Vlog. We will change the rotation guys. Rotation. We will change. We will open and change the rotation. You see? You see? They have a video there. Guys, my assistant. Very annoying. For box fan, lower fan, the rotation is counterclockwise. So we will change to clockwise. So we will reverse the stator. No need the connections guys. Down, down. Guys, I will change the shafting guys. I will use this one guys. I will cut. Because I replace the blade guys. I will replace blade. This blade guys. I will use this blade. Guys, I cut already guys. I will replace this one. Longer one. You know that it's true. I'm feeling younger every time that I'm alone with you. Guys, I will replace the front bushing. Front bushing guys is worn out. Stealing kisses in the front yard. We got questions we should not ask. How would you feel? Hello guys, we will check now the rotation guys. It should be clockwise guys. We will check. Something that I want to do. I'm taking my time, spending my life, falling deeper in love with you. So tell me that you love me too. This color blue is number 1 speed. This pink is number 2. And this yellow is number 3. Low, medium, high. Okay guys, check. Low. Okay. Medium. High. Okay guys.
clockwise rotation now. Only I reverse the stator, guys. This is stator. Only reverse. The rotation will change, guys. From counterclockwise to clockwise.
I'll be taking my time, or spending my life falling deeper in love with you. Tell me that you love me too. We were sitting in a parked car, stealing kisses in the front yard. We got questions we should not ask. How would you feel? Oh no, no. If I told you I loved you. Oh no, no. It's something that I want to do. Taking my time, or spending my life falling deeper in love with you. So tell me that you love me too. Tell me that you love me too. Na, 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 na. Tell me that you love me too. Oh, I'll be taking my time, or spending my life. Oh, I'll be taking my time.
Okay, guys, we're done, guys. Our project conversion of lower fan to ceiling fan, guys. This one, guys, I already installed and we will test now. And I'll bring this switch here, guys, the switch. So our conversion, guys, is done. So we will check, guys. Number 1. Okay, guys. Number 2. Number 2, guys. Number 3. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching, and for those who are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be informed for my new incoming videos.